Located about 12 kilometers, 7.5 miles, northeast of Madrid city center, in the Barajas district, Madrid Airport, officially named Adolfo Suarez Madrid Barajas Airport, is the main international airport serving Madrid, the capital of Spain. It is the largest and busiest airport in Spain, and one of the most important air hubs in Europe. Older terminals, T1, T3, mainly used for Schengen area flights and various international carriers. Modern terminals, T4, T4S, designed by Norman Foster, serving Iberia and One World Alliance Airlines, including many long-haul international flights. To travel from Madrid Barajas Adolfo Suarez Airport, MAD, to Chamartin Station by metro, follow these steps. 1. Start at the airport. From Terminal 2 or Terminal 4, take Metro Line 8, Pink Line, toward Nuevos Ministerios. 2. At Nuevos Ministerios, transfer to Metro Line 10, Dark Blue Line, toward Hospital Infanta Sofia. 3. Ride to Chamartin Station. Get off at Chamartin, just 3 stops from Nuevos Ministerios. Madrid Chamartin Clara Campoamor train station is one of Madrid's 2 main railway stations. Along with Atocha, Chamartin Station connects the city with northern Spain, including Galicia, Basque Country, and Castilla y León. Chamartin is a district located in the northern part of Madrid, Spain, and is one of the city's most important urban areas. Chamartin is one of the 21 districts of Madrid and is known for its mix of residential charm, business hubs, and transport significance. Originally a small village north of the city, it was incorporated into Madrid in the 20th century and has since developed into a thriving area. Plaza de Castilla is one of the most iconic and busiest intersections in northern Madrid, Spain. It lies at the junction of several major avenues and serves as a central hub for traffic, public transportation, and modern architecture. Plaza de Castilla is one of the most iconic and busiest intersections in northern Madrid, Spain. It lies at the junction of several major avenues and serves as a central hub for traffic, public transportation, and modern architecture. Calvo Sotelo Monument is a large white stone monument dedicated to José Calvo Sotelo, a Spanish politician from the early 20th century, stands at the center of the plaza. The Cuatro Torres business area, CBA, also known as the Area de Negocios de las Cuatro Torres, Spanish for Four Towers business area, is a business district located in the Paseo de la Castellana in Madrid, Spain, on the former Ciudad Deportiva of Real Madrid. The area contains the 4 tallest skyscrapers in Spain and 4 of the 10 tallest in the European Union: the Torre Emperador, Torre de Cristal, Torre PwC, and Torre Cepsa. Construction of the buildings finished in 2008.